This water heater right here is making this noise. I'm gonna show you how you're gonna fix this problem. And pipes are like vibrating. If you touch even the water heater, right, red connecting the unit.
¿Ya abrió el gas?
Starts. The gas is opening,
It's on.
and here it is on right now. The jets are working just properly. There was a gas leak on that thing. Right there is another video of Rafi, the handyman. Just check out my videos. You're gonna learn a lot of the things, like this light we put in right here with my friend Ivan. I'm trying to put this with the timing. All right, see you in the next video. Woo!